Good morning, everyone.
It's 7:35. We are just leaving camp. It is 62 degrees this morning and foggy. Last night was pretty muggy, pretty uneventful. Heard some dogs barking. That's about it. Saw some hunters this morning come through with their blaze orange shirts on and they're hunting dogs, so I don't know if we'll see them anytime today later on, but yeah. What do you got?
What'd you have for dinner last night?
Oh, I had lasagna with Parmesan cheese.
I had beef jerky. So today we have a decent sized day. We're gonna do 20 miles to Kissimmee Prarie Preserve Campground. I guess they do a lot of astronomy there, so it's not recommended to go to the astronomy pads. But it's like $17.50 or so. I gotta call and make sure we can get a reservation. About all that I got.
About all we got for this morning. Let's go.
Hunting.
We ran into the hunters already today. They said that they were out here hunting boar, but they haven't had any luck so far. And then, so now we're walking on this path and it's basically sand.
Beach with no ocean.
Yeah, so it feels like we're walking on the beach with our shoes on. I wish I could take my shoes off, but because I like to walk on the beach with no shoes, but I feel like there's too many sticks and stuff around here. I'd probably cut my feet up.
So,
That'd be a bad idea.
the other day when we were at that country cafe, I did see on the wall that, I think it was like early, like 2003, 2004, I don't know. But that some hunters killed, what they called hogzilla.
What?
Yeah. It was like 11 or 1,200 pounds.
Hog?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
wow.
it was huge. And it's I'll see if I can find a picture. I'll put it here. But its diet consisted of basically just the farm. Like it was like eating all the crops. It was somewhere, they killed it somewhere up around Orlando.
That's crazy.
They had a thing on the wall for it. Hogzilla.
Nice.
All right, guess what? 200 miles on the Florida Trail.
Really, we're at 200.7, but we missed it. So we made this one. it's 12:09 and we are stopped for a lunch break. This is what is on the menu for today. I'm having this hickory smoked tuna on my tortilla with pickles and Cheetos. And Kevin's having crackers. Is that all you're having?
And beef jerky. I don't know.
Crackers and beef jerky.
And maybe some nuts.
How far in are we?
10 miles.
10 miles in, 10 miles left? Ish.
Yeah, and so I called to get us a reservation at the Kissimmee Prarie Preserve, and they only had the astronomy pad, and so I booked it, and then they called and they were like, oh no, we moved you from the astronomy pad and put you at family site number 2, so it's really cool. They're
Which is closer to the bathrooms and the facilities, so.
Yeah, really accommodating. Because I told them we were, 4 Florida Trail thru hikers, and so really nice people.
So that's good. So that's what we have to look forward to for tonight. Read that there's laundry and showers, right?
Yep.
And indoor bathrooms, so we're going to be in luxury tonight. I am definitely excited to take a shower. I am disgusting, and so is Kevin.
What?
So, Rick and Rob should be behind us. They should be coming up any second. But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. We're going to sit here probably for, I don't know, a little bit longer and then keep going.
All right, we're at mile 206. And you'll see that there's this arrow. That's scary. There's this arrow here. I guess people have easily missed this turn, and you can go straight this way. And the comments say it cuts off like 1.2 or 1.3. But the problem is you go through water, and there's a lot of alligators in there. And this is a dry year, so the lower the water, the more aggressive the alligators are. And so we don't want to even deal with that. So we're just gonna keep going around the little square, and it just saves you 20 minutes. Just go do the square, save your life. At mile 207.1, you can see right here in the background is Rob filtering his water, and a magnificent water pump that does not taste like sulfur.
Yeah.
We did filter it just because birds do like to sit on it and poop all around it. So, but it's a really nice pump, and after about 5 up or downs, it starts getting cold water out. All right, so we made it to the Kissimmee Preserve, and y'all know me as a bird lover. They got this Carolina parakeet here, but the sad part is this is the last known sighting of it in 1918 prior to its extinction. So it's dedicated here to that bird, the Carolina parakeet.
All right, so it's 6:20 right now. This is our site for the night. We are at the campground. We have site number 2. There's a picnic table, a fire ring. There's hookups like water and electricity. And then also we're literally right across the street from the showers and the laundry, and the bathrooms. So it's a very nice spot. We got here maybe an hour ago, I'd say.
Yeah.
And we got set up, like I said, for tonight for dinner. This is what I'm having. This is my newest concoction. I've never had this before, but this is what I'm eating.
Ka-chow, ka-chow, ka-chow,
So it's
ka-chow.
2 beef sticks with 2 string cheese, pickles, and mayonnaise. And then I'm also having a Mountain House. And I also already ate some M&Ms, 2 other beef sticks. Like, I have this food, all this food, and I'm trying to get rid of as much as I can because I'm just carrying it and it's weighing me down. So,
Keep it.
anyways, yeah, so we're gonna eat, or I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go shower, and then I'm gonna throw in the laundry. Do anything? The day was okay. It was very long.
It was kind of hard to walk in some of the areas with like the road being like sand for so long.
It started out really nice because we were in the shade this morning, and like we actually saw some orange trees today.
Yep.
I didn't eat an orange though. But yeah, like he said, it was a lot of sand walking. The fun thing about the sand was that we could spot some animal prints. So like that kind of kept me busy, like bird prints, maybe panther. Saw some like that looked like maybe a snake was there, and we saw one thing that we thought was a turtle. It was like a drag mark going across the sand
With little feet.
sand street. Anyway.
But also, it did turn into gravel every now and then. And what about gravel in Florida?
Oh yeah, there's so many shells in it. Like, I did not know that about Florida, that there was just seashells in the gravel. So I like to spot shells once in a while too. That keeps me occupied. Anyways, we'll close this day out for today. You got anything else? Nope. All right.
Does Rick or Rob have anything?
Yeah, you guys got anything?
We did see an alligator cross the road.
You seen it cross a road?
So up in the distance, an alligator went across the road, and I took a picture of the track. It's just like, it looks like a snake.
Maybe that was what looked like a...
Snake, kind of. It just had a
Huh.
wick
Or
on
like
one side, another side, and it went across. So.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, we did not see that. That's
You got
cool.
anything, Rob? Did you
Nope,
see
I'm
anything
good.
cool?
No, I was the one that spotted the alligator. Rick took the picture.
I took credit.
All right, anyways.
Brotherly love.
Yeah, we will see you guys tomorrow morning.
At mile 2. Oh, crap. You look dirty.